When we had a lot of students come in, we were in the weeds as far as managing goes. At our university, we have around 10 different classes that all use different equipment. Before Cheqroom, we were using an Access database, which is like a glorified Excel sheet. So with Cheqroom, it made things a lot simpler. We're able to scan with the barcode scanner. We were able to manage our items, see how much we purchased them for. We can separate them if they need to be repaired. We can actually change into different classrooms for our university to see what equipment is used for that classroom. So it just saved us a lot of time and it makes things a lot easier. The favorite feature of mine is to be able to customize pretty much anything. Also, I like all the different options of tags that you guys offer, like the QR codes, super tiny QR codes. Yeah, all that's great. Everything is just so much faster. We don't have lines waiting out the door for students to check out equipment. Just makes everything a lot easier.